In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a HubSpot website in just a few minutes, whether you're starting a business, a personal blog, or simply exploring the possibilities. Building a website with HubSpot's user-friendly platform is an excellent choice. I'll guide you through this entire process step by step, ensuring you have a fully functional website up and running with minimal hassle. First, let's begin by navigating to the HubSpot website. In your browser's address bar, type in HubSpot's web address and hit enter. This will bring you to their homepage where you'll see a plethora of resources and tools designed to enhance your online presence. Now look towards the upper right corner of the screen where the login button is located and give it a click. Once at the login page, you'll need to sign in. For a quick and seamless experience, select Sign In with Google. A list of your available Google accounts will appear. Simply choose the one you'd like to associate with your HubSpot account. If this is your first time logging in, HubSpot might ask for a few permissions to access your account information. After signing in, you'll find yourself at your HubSpot dashboard. Here, on the main navigation menu, locate and click on Content. Content. This is where the magic happens and where you can manage all your website-related activities. Under the Content section, you'll want to focus on Website Pages. Clicking on this option will prepare you to launch your site's design process. Next, proceed by clicking the Create button, an inviting feature that opens up possibilities for crafting your web presence. Once you hit Create, you'll be prompted to select a template. HubSpot offers a variety of templates tailored to different needs and styles, so take a moment to browse through your options. Choose the one that aligns best with your vision and click Select Template. This template will form the foundation of your design. With your template in place, it's time to get creative. Add elements to your site by clicking the plus icon. This enables you to incorporate text boxes, images, videos, and other interactive components that will make your website engaging and informative. Take your time customizing these elements to match your brand and message. As you're designing, remember that you can preview your work at any stage. Once satisfied with your modifications, it's time to share your creation with the world. Click on the Publish button located in the top right corner. You'll need to add a page title for your new website, which is an essential attribute for both visitors and search engines. After finalizing everything and double-checking your site's details, you'll complete the process by hitting Publish again. Congratulations, your HubSpot website is now live, ready to display your content and connect with your audience. With these simple steps, you've successfully harnessed HubSpot's capabilities to create your very own website. Happy designing!